Well, that was crazy. We just had one heck of a storm. And probably some of you have probably already seen it all over your feeds and stuff like that. Roxas City and flooding and all that stuff. It wasn't the whole city. It was very specific areas, like downtown by the stadium, that kind of stuff. Some of the low-lying barangays, where a lot of people had to be rescued. And the rain started early yesterday, and it didn't stop. And it was the heaviest rain you ever imagined. Thunder and lightning, never ending. And it just didn't stop until this morning. The army came this morning, but I don't think they're going to be, I don't know how much use they're going to have for them, because there's not much for them to do anymore. But I know the Coast Guard helped a lot. And the fire department was helping a lot of people. It was and I was sick, so sick. And so I wasn't very helpful because I couldn't, I was throwing up and going to the bathroom nonstop and everything. We had no electricity from mid-afternoon yesterday till 7 a.m. this morning. And my generator was not working for us, and I just couldn't fix it with the state of myself. Plus it was pitch black. So we went to the office, and there was electricity there, no problem. It was just where we are here. Down at the Beaver and all that, Beaver was closed because of the storm, but they had electricity that side of the beach, but we did not over here. But so once we went over there, we were able to charge everything and just be among civilization for a little bit. The storms have brought, we can see all this, look at twigs and sticks and just right now. This is not normal for our beach, but storms bring in all that. A lot of guys are out fishing. We just did a live stream with you guys. Thank you for joining. The ones that was in the live stream. We were supposed to be talking about earthquakes, which we did, but really there was a lot just showing video clips of the rescues and stuff like that we had going on here in Roxas City. It was so we had this reinforced recently and repainted. That's all done. Yesterday was the Black Sands grand opening, but it's been rescheduled because of the storm. They were open for the customers that did make it through the storm to be in there, but because they pre-sold all the seats, well, many of those seats are on the outside, so it wasn't just the ones under the roof. So that's why, and it didn't matter, most people couldn't come anyway, so they've rescheduled. So we're rescheduled for 7 p.m. tonight for dinner there, so we'll be checking it out. I can't wait to show you guys all how beautiful this place is and how amazing it's going to be for Roxas City as a destination now for people. And don't mind us, by the way, we have no running water. So Laura, look at your face. So we look maybe disheveled, no showers, no nothing right now. We're waiting for it to come back on. Don't know when it's coming back on. Thankfully we have drinking water though, I think. Yeah, that one's still full. Those are empty. So we got a little bit going on there. But anyway, we were very wet. Definitely very, very wet. But we made it through. We didn't have any real flooding issues here. The water comes in and everything runs to the ocean. That's the whole beach, basically. It's like that. So everybody who lives on the beach doesn't have that problem. We lost a lot of sand in that corner because that's where all the water ran and went under the wall somewhere down over there. But otherwise, we did pretty good here. Just sucks to have that much water. I've never had that much rain in my life. Just incredible amount of rain. Anyway, we were very lucky. Very, very lucky, unlike other people. Okay, guys, look at the renovations now. No more closed-in opening or anything. How are you guys?
How are you doing, Michael?
Good, good. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Now you can just see the ocean. You just look straight out to it. And yeah, no more doors, no more big wall here. There is still a door, of course. They just changed the design of it. So it's like a accordion style door, so it can still lock up. But this is great. And so they continue to renovate on the floor, but I just love how big and expansive it is now. Yeah, look at that. Look how much cleaner and organized that is. We have more of the decorations keep going up. Not yet, I don't see. No, but there are some more going up. How are you guys? How are you? Looks great, guys. Looks great. Yeah, there is some more going up. I got a couple messages from people saying, hey, where's the thing that we provided? It is coming. They're in the middle of organizing it all now and finding spots and homes for everything. Oh, I like this. This is new. That looks great. And now we got some lights along here. Yeah, every time I come here, every day I come in here and there's something new. And now the shower's been moved, so it's not there anymore. So your foot wash is here and the shower head is here. So if you come in from the beach, you can get cleaned up, because a lot of people will come in and go swimming and then want to have lunch, that kind of thing. So that's great. Look at this beautiful sunset. And the log has been moved. It was over here, and the ocean waves have moved it in, shifted it a bit. I think it's cool. It's actually really deep, by the way. This thing is really heavy, but it's kind of solid wood. You could carve that and make it into a bench, but it's getting buried in the sand right now. So anyway, I think it looks fantastic. Much more improvements keep happening here, and I love it. Well, tonight's the big night. I was able to get the drone out a little earlier in order to see it in the daylight, just before sunset. But now we're here. We're here at Black Sands. Finally, they are open and the rains have finally chilled out. We're in a state of calamity for the city of Roxas City right now. No school for the next few days, so the beach hasn't been that busy. It's been kind of one of those days where a lot of people got other things to worry about. In addition to that, I believe the route on the way to Iloilo City is unpassable down near, I think, Sigma and some other areas. So yeah, there is a warning that it is unpassable. So you can't even come here right now from Iloilo. But things are going to improve, and you know, we're coming out of the end of rainy season. So here we go. This is Black Sands. Here we go, on and onward. We're having dinner and we have a 7 o'clock appointment. Look at this, I got the waterfalls with the koi fish ponds, with the koi fish starting out in there. They're a little small, but I bet you give it a few months, they get real fat. Isn't this pretty, Lara? Yeah, we're probably sick of a little water for a while, but this is pretty cool. Yeah, so nice, right? Look at this amazing grand entrance, though. Come into Black Sands, and of course, you're greeted right away with a Harley Davidson motorcycle, of course. I love the logo in this place. And you know, we have the Black Sand here, so that makes sense. Look at that beautiful Harley. But yeah, this place, they got pool tables right over here, karaoke rooms over there. They've got live music set up. I think because of the rains we just got over again, we had a small rainfall. They normally have the band up there, but I guess for the sake of this, they moved them over there. Very cool. And so you can see in the drone that this is a popular spot to sit during the day with the bean bags here, out looking out on the ocean. You got the shade from these above. Really, really cool spot for hanging out. The bar's been pretty active, even yesterday with the whole typhoon hitting. It was still pretty busy here of people hiding out from the storm. Look at this, Jebby's here.
Wearing white. We are team here.
Are you getting married or something?
No, you're wearing white also.
Oh, you meant me? I thought I meant her.
Yeah, all of us.
Well, Catherine does that. She dresses us the same. I don't know why she does that, but she does. And here we go. Look at this. Look how nice that looks. And all the expats all visiting here. We have an appointment with another group of people for 7 p.m. I don't think they're here just yet. They also have the draft beer. And look who it is. How you doing? Look at this guy. This guy's a visionary. This place looks fantastic. I'm sorry the grand opening thing went boom,
It
but
was raining like hell yesterday.
yeah, it was crazy for us too. It was insane, and I was sick. I was so sick, it was unbelievable.
Yeah.
So I'm glad to come today, and it's still doing great. It's Sunday night, and guess what? There's no path from Iloilo to here anymore. The roads are closed.
Yeah, that's true.
And so literally, it's hard to get people to come to the city today, and yet you're doing great.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, fantastic. All right, quickly, let's go on up here. Very humid night. Wow, look at that. And there's Doc Munich also.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Hello.
I didn't even know you were here yet. We were waiting downstairs.
We got moved up here.
Okay, well, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get Laura and Catherine, and we'll be back up. I'm just filming right now. Look at this. The mayor's here, too. You met the mayor? Oh. He's the foreigner mayor here. He's so well known, and he knows everybody. His nickname is the mayor.
That's the guy right there.
Oh, come on, Miriam. How many years you been living here?
10 years.
10 years. 10 years, and he's got to know everybody. So yeah, what a great thing for Roxas City. This is the kind of thing that's going to draw a lot more people to want to come to Roxas City and make this a destination place. So good job on Mo. This is fantastic. And then off to this side here, there's so many over here too. And oh, look at that. Walter's over here too. Hello guys, hello, and Walter?
No paparazzi, please.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. How are you, brother? Doing good? Excellent. Nice place, right? Yeah, it's doing good. Hello guys. Oh, right downstairs. We're actually coming up here for dinner, and just got to go get Catherine and Laura. All right.
Look at that view there.
I can't see anything though. It's so dark. There's no view. Yeah, it's so dark today. All right, so this is the cool thing about here. Now, don't mind the mess and everything, but they got food coming up, see? And the elevator here. So here to the second floor, this is how they bring up the food. They don't have to walk up any stairs. It says E2. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's time, maybe it's not. I don't know. Is it ready? Here we go, here we go. Look at that. And ta-da. The food straight up from the kitchen. Ooh, I can feel that heat. Fantastic. Look at this. I got fire dancing. Wow. It's not that loud. All right, well, there you go. It's absolutely packed in there. It has been crazy of a day. And I'm gonna give my friend Mo a pass here because I know what it's like to operate a restaurant when it's packed like that. It is really difficult to stay on top. And so there were delays with getting food, pretty significant ones. But in the end, for the most part, we got all our food. Laura's, unfortunately, they didn't get it for her. But anyway, we still enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun. And somebody's dancing. Anyway, we had a lot of fun. It's such a beautiful place. And I know, of course, these things will be worked out over time, and it's going to be an epic place for here on Roxas City. She gets shy as soon as I turn the camera. Oh. Anyway, guys, more reasons to come to Roxas City. Check us out here. Come on down. Black Sands, Canadian Beaver, many other places are all down here. Lots of cool places. Come and check it out. We are going to head out tomorrow morning, very early, because we are making the long trek to El Nido, assuming she didn't get the flu I just got, which we don't know because she had this upper stomach pain. So wish us the best. I hope tomorrow morning she'll wake up and she'll be like, oh, I'm fine. And we'll go.
just air. Maybe
Yeah.
I'm full of air.
Maybe you're full of gas. You might be gassy. Wish the best for us.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I